So, today we are behind my parents' house for yet another water feature project video. This is my biggest project yet, certainly my most complex water feature project yet, and this video is going to be a little bit different because I actually started this project last August before my family business burned down, and then I worked on it into the holidays, and I put it on standby right before the holidays because it was getting too cold to work on. So after running it and fixing it and testing it and changing it and running it again, it's done. Shout out to my mom for actually helping me make some of the finishing touches on this. She really liked how it was coming together, and she actually took the time to come out here and set some rocks and set some plants and help me finish this thing up. I'm really excited to show it to you guys today. The first minute of this is actually filmed on my phone because, like I said, it was last August and I was not sure what this was going to turn into, so I just whipped my phone out and I started filming, and here we are filming in 4K now. So we're going to jump back in time to last August to show you the before video of what exactly we started here around this staircase on the hillside behind my parents' house. Let's check this out. I'm all gloved up and hooded because it's 34 degrees this morning. To split here at the top and send a smaller stream down through the steps and then back through the steps to the pond. But I run into issues if I try to just split the stream here, because then I have to somehow like foam and concrete a specific amount that drips out. But that might change by the season, and then if that spot freezes or anything, or if there's any freezing on this little waterfall over here, because there's not going to be much water volume, then I run into problems. So I needed a way to regulate how much water comes off on this little fork in the river. So what I've done is I've actually put two connections up on the top. The smaller one has a shutoff valve. So if for whatever reason they need this little section shut off, they can do that. Alright, so what you just saw with the planting, that was November 6th of last year. So I gave this thing several months to grow the hillside back and run so I could fix leaks and make some adjustments, and it's finally done, and it's not a big muddy mess anymore, and it looks really good. So before I show you the final footage of what the whole thing looks like done and all the little intricate details, I'm gonna ask if you enjoy this video, please consider sharing it and subscribing to my channel. I've got all kinds of water feature videos and I have more to come. Your support is hugely appreciated, and I look forward to making more videos for you guys. So without any further ado, here is the waterfall behind my parents' house. Alright, there it is. I hope you guys like this as much as I do. My parents love it. My dad built this big picnic table back here so they could have dinners out here next to it. This one was a lot of fun for me because I know a lot of bigger water features are just large rock set in and then a giant amount of water pumped over the top of them, and there's not always a lot of intricate detail. This one, because I was limited on equipment and it was on this remote hillside, once I brought the rock back with the Bobcat, I wasn't really able to set them in with any machines. It was all by hand. So most of these areas, most of the water feature was real small rock that I had to stack and set in and foam together and concrete together to create this sort of like trickling pattern all the way down. And I had a lot of fun. It was a lot of time spent on this one. So again, if you want to like and share this video, that would be hugely appreciated. Subscribe to my channel for more water feature videos. Thank you so much for watching this one. Hey, the dog just kicked my tripod. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. No, not the window. Water the plants.
Yeah, so that's tough. But you know what? Archery. And we all have to ride. And you don't play the same 5 girls every week. Yeah. But I was like, forget that.
Good job.